everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet my Aura Mountain Shawl. This shawl is super quick and fun and only has 2 repeating rows. For more information, including links to the yarn and the written pattern, please check out the drop-down description box below. Now let's get started! For materials, I am using Ice Yarn's Lana Bella in vivid colors. I used 6 skeins for this shawl, but it sells by the pack, which is 8 skeins, so you'll have 2 extra in case you want to go a little bit bigger. Next, you will need a G 4.25mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a wool or yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Insert your hook and chain 5. Slip stitch to your first chain to form a ring. Insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull it through and then through the loop on your hook. To begin row 1, chain 3. This chain 3 is going to count as our first double crochet. We're then going to double crochet 5 into this ring. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. We're going to do this 4 more times into the ring. Now, if we count that chain 3 at the beginning as our first double crochet, we have 6 double crochet. Now we're going to create a point of the shawl, so we're going to chain 2. Then place 6 more double crochet into the ring. And there is the end of row 1. Turn to begin row 2. Chain 3. This chain 3 is going to count as our first double crochet. We're going to increase by placing another double crochet into that first stitch. So we have our chain 3, and then into that very first V, we're going to place another double crochet. Next, we're going to begin the pattern repeat for this row. Front post double crochet your next stitch. So to front post double crochet, we're going to be double crocheting not into the V on top, but around the post of the stitch. So these uprights right here are the posts. So you're going to yarn over just like you would with a regular double crochet. You're going to take your hook and you're going to grab the post from one side to the other. Grab your yarn and pull up a loop. There are our 3 loops for the double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Our next stitch, we're going to back post double crochet. To back post double crochet, we're going to do the same thing and grab the post of the stitch. But this time we're going to be working from the back of our work, like this. Yarn over, like with your double crochet. You're going to take your hook and you're going to go behind your work and you're going to grab that post. I like to feel it with my fingers. Then you're going to grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So from here we're just going to repeat this. Front post, back post, all the way until the chain 2 here. And we're ending on a front post. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into this chain 2 space. Now from here we're going to mirror this side. So right here we ended on a front post double crochet and you can see the texture that the front and back post create. And it's going to look the same on the back side. You've got the texture. So we ended on this front post, and that's what we're going to start with on this side. So we're going to start with a front post, and then back post, and repeat all the way down. And then instead of back posting our last stitch, which is actually our previous chain 3, we're going to place 2 double crochet into the top of it. So the third chain, you're going to place 2 double crochet. Now you can turn and begin row 3. For row 3, we're going to chain 3. Double crochet into your first stitch. So now we have 2 double crochet to start. And then our next stitch, we're going to front post double crochet. The next stitch, we're going to back post double crochet, and it's quite easy because it previously was a front post, but now that we've turned, it's now a back post. So it's sticking right out, so we can grab it. So the next one is going to be front post, and it's sticking right out. It's very easy for us to grab. And then back post. All right, now here we are at the top or point of the shawl right here. And there are our 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet into that chain 2 space. For this, we're going to just continue with that repeat. We're going to do a front post double crochet, and we're ending on a back post double crochet. Then place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into your chain 2 space. And then from here, we're just going to do some more mirroring. So on this side, we ended with a back post double crochet, and then we did our point. So what we want to do when we start this side is do a back post double crochet to start. Then front post double crochet. And then our last 2 stitches, of course, a front post will come next because we just did a back post. And then into our very last stitch, we're going to place 2 double crochet. Now from here, we're just going to repeat row 2 and row 3 until the shawl is of desired size. When I designed this shawl, I was looking for something super fun and quick and easy, but also thick and cozy that worked well with this style yarn. I hope you enjoy crocheting your Aura Mountain Shawl. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!